That doesn't look good anymore. I don't know. There's a lot of rust in it. I'll probably just put new antifreeze in, to be honest. Let's go ahead and put the Dizzy back on. If y'all don't know what a Dizzy is, it's a distributor. We'll clock it to where the 1 is. Cylinder 1. Oh, actually, before we put on the distributor, I have to go TDC, which is top dead center on cylinder 1. This is cylinder 1. Luckily I have the timing marks up there. Maybe this one. I should remember the sizes, but I don't. Because who remembers the sizes? Nice. Okay. So my timing mark is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they're right there. I just gotta go. That actually went really smooth. And I think I'm good right there. Yeah. It's a little advanced, which is what it's needed. I'm pretty sure. We should be good to install this. Okay, so we are at 1. My 1 should be somewhere. Have it marked. Okay. So I know my 1 is marked here. That looks about right. There's a bunch of stuff in there. All right, so when you're putting in a distributor, it's gonna wanna rotate on you. And you're gonna wanna try to compensate for that. Okay, so when I put this cap back on, my 1 should be there. Okay. Like that. Cool, we're almost at it. It has to move up just a little bit. Like 1 tooth. Come on. Yeah, I like it right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this and install it back on there without dropping it. It wasn't in all the way, but now it is. Who knows, maybe we don't have to adjust it. Welcome back, by the way. Totally forgot to say it. I just wanted to work on this thing. And if you subscribed, thank you. If you didn't and you're just watching, press subscribe. It's free. You know, it's just one button. Just click it, you know, and you'll see me maybe once in a while in your feed. And you'll see some cool stuff. Like my rare van. I think that's about good right there. Okay, so then we're going to put this back on. That should be at 1. Let's snap that back on there. Okay, so forward firing order is 1542637 8. So we're gonna put this guy at 1. Click. 5. 5 is on the opposite side of 1. 1, 5, 4. 2, 6. You want to make sure these things are clicked in pretty good. 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3. This is the last 2. 7 and 8. And then for the coil, that's set. Plug some stuff in. That plugs into there, like that. This guy, plug it there, boom. This guy goes into the intake, which I will get in a moment. This connector is going to the distributor, like that. Click this guy. For the O2 sensor, let's see if I can reach it. Flexibility. That's fine. Cool. Everything's almost hooked back up. Get this fuel line screwed back on. This is really tight fit, but it'll go on. Let's tighten that back up. Okay. This guy goes back on as well. This goes here. Screw in those coolant lines. Pretty sure I can put this back on. I hate this thing. I need to remove this completely, because if I'm gonna fill the oil, I'm gonna do it there and not outside of the van. I don't know, it's just annoying having this pipe here. Most of these are regular drivers besides this one. I really feel bad for the poor chump that has to work on this van. There's so many different hardware pieces. Luckily I have my tools, but no one else is gonna be working on this thing. Just me. Okay, this one's always not cooperative. The bad thing about this cold air intake is it blocks that, and I already did some hammering work in the tunnel. So this is as good as it's gonna fit technically. It barely fits. It's pretty snug. Oh, almost forgot. Put that on. Cool. We are good. Now I have to fill up the coolant back up and then put in oil. Well, drain the oil and put a new oil filter. And we should be good for a startup. Oh, it would be smart to remove this and tighten that back up. See, if I didn't have this oil fill up, things would be a lot easier for me. You know, I was really hoping I could have one more jug, just in case. But life's not that easy. Expect failure. Oh, whoops, I forgot to poke a little vent hole on this one. She's a little thirsty. Okay. Oh, look at that, we're done. Might have been a little too much. I wish they made coolant in cool colors. Like, I know they do pink and orange, but I wish they did it for like American cars. Like in those weird colors, you know? I'd buy pink coolant. Or orange. Orange is cool. You know, maybe do like a PC build, have some clear coolant lines. Some RGB lighting, man. Okay, I think we're good there. Might have filled it up a little too much, but that's fine. Okay. Now we just gotta do the oil.